What's up, family? Now we get into a signal many experienced traders watch before a reversal happens. This is how you know if the tide is about to shift in another direction, right? And we need to go back the other way, or we need to be looking to buy long term, for prices to the downside. You see? RSI divergence, advanced lesson number 4. When momentum and price disagree. Definition plain English. RSI divergence happens when price moves in one direction, but RSI moves in the opposite. This tells traders momentum may be weakening, even if price is still moving up. This is often a warning signal, kind of like a yellow stoplight. It's telling you, hey, slow down. This may change or shift direction. The two types of divergence. Bullish divergence, number 1. This is a possible reversal up, right? What you'll see is at the bottom, at support, you'll start to see price make lower lows. Like when you go look at the chart, you'll see the candles making lower lows, right? Each one of them is kind of stepping down lower like a stair step going down, right? And then RSI be making higher lows, right? It'll be kind of like a staircase going up, right? So now you understand that RSI is building. So now it might be a possible reversal to go up. Buyers might step in, right? And this is selling pressure is fading. This is what this is telling you. And that buyers may soon take control. So you can hop in a call or hop in a swing and just kind of just chill and just understand what's going on. You didn't see it. And just when you see it, just go ahead and play it. You don't have to ask nobody, just go. This often appears at the bottom of markets, right? Bearish divergence. This is a possible reversal down. This is when price makes higher highs. So you'll see price running. You'll see on the chart, it's making a staircase going up, right? But then on RSI, it'll be making lower highs, right? So RSI will be going in the other direction and look like a staircase going down on RSI. This means momentum may be weakening and buyers may be getting tired, right? They may be getting exhausted. This often appears at the top of markets, right? So you see sellers step in and push the market back down, right? Why this matters. Momentum often shifts before price does. Divergence helps us as traders spot exhaustion in trends, prepare for potential reversals, avoid chasing late stage moves, right? So when you see it at the top and you see that it's RSI divergence, like you see price making higher highs and divergence making lower highs, then you start to understand, like, okay, then yeah, I think this is divergence, right? So now we might see a market drop, right? Or you see, on the other side, on the bullish divergence, you'll see price making higher lows and RSI you'll see price making lower lows. You'll see price pushing down, but you'll see RSI pushing slightly up, making higher lows. You see, you just have to understand that difference and you'll be all right, right? This matters because momentum often shifts before price does, and it helps us spot exhaustion, prepare for potential reversals, and avoid chasing late stage moves. I just wanted to give y'all that again so y'all understand. This is like seeing an engine light on your car before something goes wrong, right? This is your warning signal to be like, hold on, let me stop and look. Is it making higher highs, lower highs? And start to understand, right? Common beginner mistakes to avoid. Trading divergence immediately. Don't just hop right in. Give it time. Let it cook. And then when you really see it and you like, okay, you identified it, okay, then play it, right? Ignoring overall market trend. Forgetting confirmation. always have confirmation, right? Divergence is a warning, not a guaranteed reversal, right? So this is just a warning sign to let you know, but you got to go look at the chart and see the spinning tops at the top, or see the wicks coming out showing uh, resistance to the ceiling, showing resistance to the price at the top, right? Or even you see volume fading as it's pushed up to the top. Now volume is faded off. It ain't as much volume, so now it's probably about to come back down. See, you still want to see confirmation from support and resistance, volume, and trend structure, right? This is a pro tip. Experienced traders look for divergence near near major support levels, right? So support and resistance on the chart, where you see price going up, hitting, and then you see price coming back down, hitting. That's your support and resistance. Support is at the bottom, resistance at the top. Understand that, right? You'll see you'll see multiple signals together increase that'll increase your probability, right? So if you see all of these together with divergence, then you know what's happening, right? The key is, family, price shows the move, RSI shows the strength behind it. When the two disagree, something is changing. Your engine light on. So you need to be aware and checking for these signals. Like, subscribe, share, and follow for daily wealth lessons. I love y'all. Peace.